So next I would look at my project. You can, here I have it in AutoCAD. If it's you're designing the project, you have to know by now that which floor finish you're using and where. In this project I have an entrance that it's ceramic tile, I have a bathroom that it's a ceramic tile, the rest they are wood floor. So what I would do here to make it easier for myself, because see the wood flooring is continuous throughout the my project, so I don't need really this transition line. Okay, the wood should go there. It's not wrong if you keep it, it's completely up to you, but I would delete them. See, select, if I have the finish going into different room, so I just remove the transition line. It's not wrong if you keep it. That the only problem is you have to apply the material in each one separately, but here I just delete it. See here, this is my entrance and probably the same ceramic tile going inside the closet too. So this is the entrance, one material, my bathroom one material, and the rest one material. Now what I would do, because it makes it easier for me, it makes it easier to make the baseboard, I press Ctrl and select this floor finishes, type M and press Ctrl. I'm copying my floor finish out. Next I want to make group. This is really important. I would put all of my floor finish in one group, and then my walls would be in different groups. So select this one, press Ctrl, select this one, and select this one. See, all of the floor finish are selected. Right click, make a group. Then I triple click here, right click, make a group. So now my walls, they are in one group, my floor one group. If you want to add the baseboard, you can do it now, or you can go ahead, apply the material, add the window. It's up to you. Here I would add the baseboard. There is a few things that you have to consider. First of all, as you can see in these images, when we have a door opening, baseboards stop before the molding. Okay, we don't have a baseboard going around the opening. It just stops before the baseboard. If I show you guys in AutoCAD, see, basically if I have a baseboard here, okay, it goes here but stop because our door frame and molding would start here. This case is a little bit different because it's an arc, so probably the baseboard can wrap the wall, but when we have a door, see, the baseboard is stop here, it won't continue. Here the baseboard is stop here. So for now, and maybe we have a wooden molding that goes a little bit on top of this part of the wall, but for now we just build the baseboard. If I want to modify it, I can modify it later. So as you can see again here, when I have this, the baseboard stop here. The closet, the baseboard stop here. In some project, especially the rental properties, sometimes they don't put baseboard inside the closet, but 99% of the time we should have a baseboard inside the closet. So if you want to really build your project in detail, see, you can have your baseboard, add the baseboard inside the closet. But again, as you can see, the baseboard stop here. The thickness of the wall, we don't have a baseboard. The baseboard start again inside the closet. Okay, so the easiest way to make baseboard, I would use the follow me tool. And what I would do, first of all, keep in mind inside the washroom, 99% of the time, if you're doing it right, we don't have a MDF or wooden baseboard. I would use the same ceramic tile or something that goes with it as a baseboard. So for now, I'm not adding baseboard here and here. I just want to show you guys the steps. So for example, here I would delete the surface first because I just need the path. Then, as I mentioned, I don't have a baseboard here, I don't have a baseboard here. So this is the path for my baseboard. Here, my baseboard stopped here. It doesn't wrap the wall. So I don't have a baseboard. So I can go ahead and delete all these wall thicknesses because I don't have a baseboard there. Here, as I mentioned, it's an arch. Probably the baseboard wrapped the wall. I don't have a door, so you can keep the baseboard in this case, but the rest of them, no, I don't want the baseboard go inside. Even this one, I delete this part. Here, I delete this part. So see, here I have baseboard. Anywhere that I have line now, probably I have a baseboard. How can I add the baseboard? You have to draw your baseboard perpendicular to one of your line. Okay, the baseboard thickness, you can just Google it. You can find any profile, you can add it. Even if you go to warehouse, probably you can find baseboard. What? Let's see what we get. I go to model, and here you go. You have baseboard. You can select something that goes with your design, or you can design your own baseboard. We can really draw the profile of the baseboard that you are using. For now, I would go with, I don't know, maybe this one. Download, and I place it here. So I would explode it because I need the profile, and maybe I select this one. This is another group. See, I don't need it to be a group. I want the surface. Then I would move it from this corner, and remember, I have to place it perpendicular. So here you go. I can place it in this corner. And next step, because I already removed everywhere that I don't have the baseboard, if I triple click on this line, see, I'm selecting the path. Just keep in mind, your profile shouldn't be part of your baseboard. And for some reason, I placed this one completely wrong. Let me undo. Let's go back and select it one more time. I don't know what happened. M, grab the end of this. Oops. So M, grab the corner, and see, always zoom in. Okay, this is perfect. Now triple click, and as I mentioned, I don't want this profile to be part of my path, so I press shift and remove it. Then I go start the follow me tool, show the profile, and here you go. I have my first baseboard. You can triple click, make a group, or you can do it later, because as I mentioned, all part that they are in one piece attached to each other, they should be a group. See, again, I click on this surface, M, grab this corner, press Ctrl to change it to the move command, and I go here. Then again triple click, press shift, select, I go to follow me tool. Here you go. I have it all the way here, then I select this one, M, grab this corner, Control, and I place it here. So the only room that I don't add this baseboard is my bathroom. I would put ceramic tile there. And the entrance, there is no water. If you like the baseboard, you can put it there. But I have experience that people put MDF in the bathroom. So eventually, you know, if there is any leak or something, the molding would, you know, rotten or okay. So then again, triple click, press Shift, remove the profile, apply the follow me tool. So what about this corner? I'm adding the same, you know, baseboard inside, but remember we have a closet door here, so I remove those two. So the next step, I select the surface, M, grab this corner, Control, I place it here, but see here my wall is here, so I don't want the baseboard to go inside the wall. I have to rotate it. So if I press Q, make sure you're on the blue axis, then go to the green, all the way, go back to green. Okay, I turn it 180, or just type 180, maybe that's easier. If you want to reverse the face, right click, reverse the face, triple click, Shift, remove my path, but see, okay, you know what, I do it from this way, select, Shift, remove it from the path, follow me tool, continue. So the steps is the same, you just select one surface, copy to the corner, and do it again. If you want to rotate it one more time, select the surface, M, from the end point, press Control, place it here, Q, rotate, and then go in one direction, type 180, so you have it. If you want, you can right click, reverse the face, triple click, see, my pad is selected, press Shift to remove my profile from the path, follow me tool, and here you go. So I'm not doing it all because it's gonna take for a while. I just show you guys the steps. So when I'm done, I can triple click and I can, you know, make a group of my baseboard. You can make the group according to the color. For example, if I'm making all the baseboard the same color, I can put them in one group and I can change the color in one shot. If you are painting different room, different color, I mean the baseboard in different color, so you can put those baseboard in the separate group. For now, I would just bring this one in my drawing. See, I would make a group, and then how can I place it in the right place? So I would go from the corner that I can see, M, and see I'm moving it because I don't need it anymore here. I don't need to copy it, and I move it to the corner of this wall. Here you go. So I just realized that I have an extra line here. I don't like it. I go inside, remember, because it's a group. To modify anything, you have to go inside the group. When you see the dots, when you can select the line, it means that you can delete it. So here you go. I add the baseboard to my drawing. You can go ahead and continue with your baseboard and add all of them. I just stop here and move to the next step.